So it's been about 4 months now since I said I was gonna do the vlog a week or so later. So I'm a little bit out of practice with talking to the camera because it's... Sorry, someone was distracted me. This is exactly what I mean, like I need to be focused, I need to be here, present, ready to go. So yeah, anyway, as I was saying, I'm a little bit out of practice with speaking to the camera because I haven't done it for like 4 months, and it is actually quite awkward. I forgot how weird it is at first because you're literally sat in a room talking to yourself, looking at a little dot, pretending that you're talking to people and assuming that they're listening. I really need to be more organised. I should probably write notes as well so I don't ramble like this. But anyway, here's the vlog and I hope it's good.
Oh, hi. Oh god, I look rough as balls.
So we did day 1 of
Hoorah!
the farm.
We survived.
So what did we do today?
Today we were paired up and we basically had to go up trees through thorns and basically it's a wonderland. And sorry, it was going to you. Pick loads of lemons off trees.
Yeah, for anyone who didn't know, lemon trees have thorns.
Yeah, big.
That's
thorns.
what we discovered today. Yeah, so
and they also grow really high.
They grow very high, and we have not too high ladders to pick
and
those.
And we have short people. And we have not too high people either. We are vertically challenged.
We all got a bucket each, and that's $180. So like, how much is that in pounds?
Like 100 quid?
100 quid,
90, 100
but
quid?
halved to like 50 quid each.
So
we have to share.
For today, that's how much we got. Not too bad.
No, it's not too bad.
But it was divided by 2 as well. So it's a little bit less.
It's just getting into it, isn't it, anyway, so we're fine.
Yeah. Farm life is exhausting. Day 2. Just as bad as day 1. Except I did 1.5 buckets instead of 1. So it's day 2, actual working on the farm, and I'm dead. I haven't really had the chance to vlog because I haven't really had any time alone. Because 1, I'm in a hostel full of people. 2, I'm on a farm all day with people. Oh my god, I feel like everyone can just hear me. There's no privacy in this place at all. Not even when you go to the toilet. I just realised I was next to someone's window. There's literally nowhere to stand. I'm near some dodgy gym area. No, but yeah. There literally isn't even any privacy when you go to the toilet. Like, some toilets, there's some like... There's some like nice cubicle areas where you've got a little bit of wall in between you both when you go in. But no, here, thin little piece of wall, and you could basically hold hands. It's so uncomfortable. Like, I sit there, I'm not even going to go into detail. Basically, it's uncomfortable. There's no privacy. But apart from that, it's alright. But actual farm work is killing me off. Picking lemons never crossed my mind before. No, it never crossed my mind. But it's actually pretty hard. And I'll never look at a lemon the same ever again. But yeah, I'm now going to go to bed because I have to be up again tomorrow morning. Also, I discovered that I don't get a day off until it rains. So I'm basically working non-stop. Boom! I don't know how I'm going to do this.
You gonna vlog?
Yeah.
Is it us?
Yeah. Day 3, and I'm actually dead. I do not have the energy. Being real, I'm dead. I'm struggling a lot right now. Have zero energy to finish this bin, but luckily we did a lot yesterday, so I don't have to do too much today. That's about it. Really not feeling it today. I'm on... Sorry, just checking to see if there's anyone around. But yeah, I'm been here for a month on Friday. And I've only had 14 working days so far. Feeling like crap. And struggling to vlog every day. Well, every month.
You gotta talk.
Currently trying to explain to Anna Harad that my YouTube isn't a positive place. And that I can't do it in front of other people.
She can.
Except for right now, and Emma's currently catching up with my last vlog.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, right.
Rumi's walking in, wondering what the hell's going on.
Day 5 tomorrow, people.
No, isn't it like day 14, 15?
No, as in a row, man.
Oh, in a row. Yeah, it's day 5 in a row. Not as bad as the week before last when we did 8 days.
In a row.
Which was pretty
Right.
hard. But yeah, life is good. So, and here's a drastic mood switch for you. I'm having a bit of a day today. Just feeling a little bit sick of living in the same place for such a long time with the same people. It's starting to get on top of me a little bit. And this farm work thing turning into actual effort, and feeling a little bit trapped and stressed with the whole corona thing. Yeah, not so good day today. I keep forgetting to vlog. Like, I've been here a month now from Friday. Probably vlogged like 2 weeks ago. What's happened, and I will catch you guys up probably tomorrow or the day after when I'm feeling a little bit more like speaking. Just gonna let you know now that you're not gonna be filled in on whatever it was that I was gonna fill you in on, because I forgot and don't remember. So I probably should have put some sun cream on today, but I couldn't be bothered. Just hoping I don't get sunburnt. I might put some on actually whilst I'm here. Also, I have gloves. Let's stop. Well, while I'm here, I may as well just go over my tools. I've got this, which is a ring that you put on the lemon to see if it's the right size. And if it goes through, then it's too small. If it doesn't, then it's okay. Also, lemons can't be yellow. This is very yellow. It's very yellow. You have to be green. Can you see the greenness? I think the top's not helping. I should probably put that in my bin. What's also bugging me is I keep seeing loads of caterpillars, and now I don't have a partner. I don't have anyone to like move them for me, so I like have a mini panic attack, get out of the tree, stand for a minute, and then realise I have to go back in the tree, move the caterpillar. It's actually the most stressful thing ever. My hair's actually such a state. But I guess it's not a glamorous job. This whole section is just me procrastinating because I don't actually want to work. I don't want to do it. I kind of just want to sit down for the rest of the day. But then I know if I do that, everyone else is going to actually make some money and then I won't, and that'll be annoying. Not everyone has the skills to procrastinate on the level that I do. So I'm on day 2 of picking a loan. Very tired. Very hot.
Hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other. And that's
Okay, so that is the first section of my farm work vlogs. I was going to make like a whole one, but it was just getting a bit long, and people these days don't have long attention spans past 5 minutes. So yeah, there's no point making it longer. But I will make the next bit within the next week or so. But when I say that, I actually mean it. It will be hopefully done in 2 weeks. Yes, it will. Not hopefully, it will. I didn't cross my fingers because I'm lying, by the way. I crossed them just because it will happen. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it and it told you what farm work's like, or my experience of it anyway, and that it didn't drag too much. A little bit out of practice, so... But yeah, I hope it was good. And goodbye.